Okay, folks, here's something I just found really interesting. It just really dawned on me, and it almost like hit me like a ton of bricks, so to speak. You know, I'm here on my phone, and I'm in the pro settings for my camera. Okay, and here's my manual focus. Okay, and here when you like really dial it in, and you focus in on okay, that right there, that's Venus. Okay. Now I know a lot of people are, oh, that's Nibiru, it's coming. No, it's not. It's not. It's freaking Venus, okay? That's Venus. And, well, actually, I'll have to brighten this up quite a bit to really show you the difference here. But, okay, that's Venus. Let me zoom out. That's Venus. That's Jupiter, okay? And in the middle, it's kind of cloudy, that's Saturn, okay? Do you see it? So that's Venus. It's there every single fall, and it's very bright, very prominent. I'm from Michigan, okay, and a lot of Michigan hunters that I know, we call it the hunter's star, and a lot of us will make it. Oh, please let us get it. You know, before the sun goes down and it's too late to get one. You're like, please let me get one. It's the hunter's star, okay. But that's not really what I was getting at with this. I just want to bring that to people's attention because, gosh dang it, it really annoys me hearing people saying they don't want to hear it because they know what it is. No, I'm sorry, you don't. Nibiru is up at the sun, and that's why it's not able to be seen. Okay? Here's the thing, because if you've seen it here, you would know the time, the day, and the place, so to speak, right? You'd see it there. It's infrared, which means you can't see it with the naked eye in the sky, like in the sky. But here you can? No. Sorry. But what I want to do is do this. Okay, we're going to zoom in on this. Okay, and I'm on manual focus. Now, watch something here. Now, a lot of people would say, oh, by doing this, I'm actually I may not be bright enough. Yeah, I'm not bright enough. Gosh dang it. Okay, let me bring it up just a little bit. Okay, here we go. Oh, look, you're taking it out of focus. Right? Because this is supposed to be focused, but this isn't focused, right? Supposedly. I disagree. I think by doing it this way, I'm actually focused on the frequency of the planet. Does that make sense? The frequency and vibration of the planet is this pattern that I'm seeing. By taking it out of focus, I'm putting it in focus of the frequency and vibration of the planet. It allows me to see it in more of a geometric pattern and or shape, if you will. Let me see if I can turn up the brightness on it just a little bit. There. Okay? So does that make sense now? I mean, think about this. Does that not look like frequencies and like frequency patterns and vibrations? Does it not look like some kind of a geometric shape that we're used to seeing? I mean, people that are into this, I know that you're going to resonate exactly with what I'm saying. But think about this for a second. Am I really taking it out of focus, or am I putting it in focus? Which is it? This, I think, is the focus of the frequency and vibration of that planet. This is the frequency of the eyeball, what we see. But this is the frequency in being focused on the vibrations of the planet. And that's a very important thing. When you see this, you think you're in focus. Well, you're a focus in one plane of existence or dimension or realm, but this way you're focused in on another. Does that make sense? And we need to learn to focus. We need to start opening our third eye and recognizing that there is focus in many different forms and realms. We just have to realize that it's in focus and try to focus our thoughts on the fact that this is in focus. And how is it in focus? Does that make sense? All right. I love you folks. You guys be good. All right. Stay safe.